to introduce the exponential function, we will use a famous story about chessboard. The story goes something like this. The inventor of the game of chess was told by the king to name his price. He asked for 1 grain of wheat to be placed in the first square. Then double that in the second square, all the way to the last square on the board. The king agreed, not realizing it was a very steep price to pay for a game. What do you think is the order of magnitude of the number of grains in the last square? Right. Starting from 1 grain, we get 2 in the second square, followed by 4, then 8, and so on. You will notice how the number increases quickly. By the time we get to the third row of squares, we already at 1 mega grains, or 1 million grains. At the end of the fourth row, we are at 2 giga, or 2 billion. We then hit 1 tera, followed by 1 peta, and finally hit the exomagnitudes, which are 10 to the 18. We started the first square with 1 grain, which is 2 to the power of 0. After multiplying by 2, at the second square we had 2 to the power of 1. Then 2 to the power of 2 in the third square, all the way to the last square in this chessboard. What is the number of grains in the last square, in powers of 2? Right? This number is equal to 9 exo, which is 9 times 10 to the power of 18. This is a huge number. In only 63 steps, we get a number so large, we can't conceive it. This is the power of the exponential function.